Hi, my name is Rafael Smith. I'm talking English. And I'm from the Technological Studio, guided by Dikla, Izhar, David Robbins, and Ziv Lebo. My project is about reinstating hemp and cannabis as a sustainable dynamic tool for economical and social and environmental revitalization. Cannabis is re-emerging in the global market as a valuable raw material with its unique biological properties and diverse applications. And today, we can better understand the potential and benefits of this plant and how it can help us save our society. I believe that cannabis has the power to revive broken systems and reshape urban ecological production development. It does this with its unique biological abilities and diverse application, using phytoremediation, a technique using hyperaccumulator plants to absorb contaminants, which has proven to be a sustainable, effective way of naturally decontaminating soil and water. Moreover, cultivating hemp in this manner would restore the natural ecosystem and open opportunities for significant social and economic incentives on the local and global scale. As hemp and cannabis have many diverse applications and uses As hemp and cannabis have many diverse applications and uses, such as in the construction industry, hempcrete, biofuel, textile, fiber, medicine, which has lots of economical potential, and medical, and more. It is my intention to examine the social, It's my intention to examine the social, environmental, and economic possibilities that would be created in the event of legalization while applying hemp's soil cleaning ability in a 5-phased operation of 5 years each. Each phase of this process is represented and guided by the industry housing each product family by applying it on the contaminated former Ta'as weapon production factory lot in Tel Aviv. Starting with, from the top left, the first stage would be a biofuel, a biomass, which will provide energy for the community, construction material from hempcrete that will physically build the next development phases, textile from hemp fiber, which will enrich local craftsmanship, plastic from microfiber dust, creating a variety of products that can replace other polluting ones, and medicine and foods from the medical and recreational cannabis that will allow that, alongside with greenhouses, which will produce additional job creation and further research and product innovation of the fastest growing global industry. In more detail, this is like the beginning stage. In the first stage, we initiate the phytoremediation process according to the map of contamination. Use industrial area to create biofuel factory for the harvested biomass. On the second stage, expand hemp industry, prepare factory to produce hemp herds for building material, hempcrete, to be used in the next stages. In this section, this section is demonstrating the hempcrete factory in relation to the street on the left and the agricultural level on the right, with future residential spaces on top, with a buffer public space in the middle, which will help incorporate the community with the production level. In phase 4, establish hemp plastic microfiber dust factory and local community storefronts. In this section, it's possible to see the whole industry a line connected on the ground level on the right. That's the fourth stage. On the fifth stage, the last one, erect medical cannabis production processing facility with greenhouse growing spaces. When the contamination is already completely non-existent in the lot. Sustainable ecosystematic alternatives are the future for post-industrial mistreated urban spaces and reshape urban ecological production development. Previous industrial activity-based economy has left many areas abandoned in the metropolis centers. This growing inventory of brownfields and the demand for housing are influential factors in this period of urban development. Remediating the contaminated land inside with new type of agricultural urban production and manufacturing which enriches the community with job opportunities, local material, and affordable housing, elevating hemp's multifunctional environmental and economical uses. Hemp cultivation, processing, and manufacturing production lines surrounded by parks and residential community will contribute to enhancing the quality of the urban environment and provide a vibrant new cultural and recreational facility for the city. Preserving the existing building of the former industrial plant as a symbol of its heritage, the project incorporates a variety of cultural and educational programs with the intention of creating public awareness regarding urban nature and environmental preservation. Once completed, this project seeks to set national precedents for brownfield development and community revitalization with natural ecosystematic approach in post-industrial land and the necessary integration with the surrounding environment and communities. Hemp phytoremediation is an indispensable, sustainable tool for such large-scale projects as it is the cheapest and most efficient solution for recovering contaminated lands. I hope to prove that from this toxic hazard can come opportunity, one that connects us back to nature and heals our community, economy, and environment. Thank you.